My name's Andy Nicol. I'm Head of Engineering at Dow Jones.
My name is Mona Soni. I'm Engineering Director at Dow Jones.
I think Dow Jones is most famous for producing the Wall Street Journal.
We are mainly a media company offering financial and market news to our readers.
The value of our products is the depth of the insight. It's the quality of the imagery, the access to real-time market data.
We have millions of subscribers for Wall Street Journal, and the Wall Street Journal web team releases on a daily basis.
Our internal processes for testing have become slow and cumbersome and weren't necessarily delivering great results. When we first started using Applause, the sort of bugs they would find were things that we'd never thought would be bugs, and things that we thought were working properly, they would say, this is unclear. We've had a couple of bugs with our subscription process where someone signing onto the system for the first time has, in certain circumstances, had a poor experience. Well, that would be that user lost, so that's absolutely critical to us. And over time, we realised that what we're actually doing is getting a team that would look at it exactly the same way as our consumers would look at it. That's giving us a completely different dimension to our testing.
I haven't heard of Applause before Dow Jones, but seeing that working here made me like, okay, why did anyone else not think about it before?
What really appeals to us is the crowd testing nature, because it gives us the ability to test our products exactly as they would be in the wild. Different network configurations, different devices. Our relationship with Applause hinges on the quality of the PM. They understand our business. They understand the drivers of our individuals. They know that they're under extreme pressure, and they take a great deal of the burden off of them. So I would say it's a very, very good process. Because the service is so straightforward, it's easy to take it for granted. And what we find is when we have detailed feedback sessions and we sit down together to work out how to improve it, that comes down to really the diligence and the sort of determination of the project managers who are very, very focused on helping us get better.
They help us decide when and what to test. They do it because they are passionate about quality, and that human factor helps us get prompt feedback.
The fact that we can pull on Applause over weekends, over holiday periods, firstly means that we can meet our deadlines. It also means that we're testing at periods where some elements of the system configuration aren't working as they normally do. That degree of flexibility is doubly valuable to us. We've gradually increased the frequency of cycles. As the service has expanded, there's been consistency of delivery, and that ability to scale has been hugely important to us.
The return on investment is really high, so I would highly recommend anyone to think twice about investing in a manual tester versus Applause. At the same cost, you can at least get one cycle and test it throughout the year across different products.
The real key to this is that we can work together as a team, and we see Applause as a very important part of it. For example, the rating on our apps have gone up. We tend to see less negative feedback around our subscription process.
From my past experience of QA, I would say like this is the future of the industry. It's a high return, so there is no brainer of why you wouldn't want to use it.